Hi over there and welcome back to this YouTube channel. So I'm trying to do the graveyard promotion video clip look from Halsey, and literally this is the picture that I've seen and screenshotted myself. So I'm starting with the NYX Wonder Eye Pencil. I'm actually gonna leave all the products down below because I might miss out bits here and there when it comes to color and stuff like that. And literally I'm just looking at the images, you can tell, and kind of like, you know, making some kind of like petals over there, how I'm feeling they look. I'm starting from the middle because I felt that way I can see the details more in depth, making sure I have my liner sharpened because it gives more of a crisp line. I'm taking it all the way to my nose. Literally I'm just looking at the image and mimicking the looks of it, but you can see I'm sometimes not happy with it and I'm just erasing it with like a wipe, and that's perfectly normal. That's why I'm using a nude eyeliner, because it's easier to erase those kind of like mistakes you don't like. Here again, I've done it again, like, yeah. It's okay. By the way, I'm not a makeup artist, just so you know, so it is what it is. I am an amateur and I really love the process, and yeah. Now I'm taking a white liner, and I have no idea why I took a white. You could use the nude one anyway. And I'm trying to mimic the roses, and I start with a circle first and then kind of like take more kind of like tinier circles around that tiny circle. And sometimes, as you can see, I'm trying to kind of like make them not perfect, like kind of like, you know, not like circle, if that makes any sense. Hopefully you can see from the clip in it. And again, you know, I'm not happy all the time with my lines, and I rate them, redo them, and that's the drill with making this kind of like looks. And now I'm taking the SFX Revolution Pro palette and I'm filling in with the nude shade, the kind of like nude flower. I'll call it the nude flower. And literally this is the drill. You're just filling in, and yeah, that's true. I'm not filling all the way to my lips just because I need to drink water. It took me a while to film this, so I left that to its last. But you know, the nose and the rest, it was alright. Just the lips. Leave the lips at the end. Now I'm taking a lipstick that is like matte and some white kind of like cream, and I use the lipstick matte first on its own, and then I use the combination of the pink lipstick with the white cream to kind of like give more shading towards the look. It gives more depth to it, and I'm coming back and forth with both of the brushes just to make sure the shades are really faded within one and another, like, yeah. And sometimes I overdo the actual kind of like lines I've done because it's just literally how I'm feeling. So, you know, you don't have to respect the lines you've done initially, just do it how you feel. Now I'm taking the black shade, and it's just about kind of like giving more shadows to it, and literally I'm placing the black and then coming up again back with the brushes I've used to fill in the colors, just to not leave them as crisp as they look. I like them to look faded away because I feel it looks more realistic. And now I'm taking actually eyeshadows, and I'm placing the darker one on top of the darker like lipstick, and the lighter one on top of the kind of like lipstick shade combined with white. I feel it gives more of a live color. And now I'm taking the white, yet again highlighting, highlight. I've seen a lot of highlighting. I've realized I forgot one of the flowers in the middle, and I'm doing it right now, and filling, highlighting, placing colors how I'm feeling they look the best, at the same time looking at the image constantly. Taking a red this time, I realized it's kind of like giving more of a dimension to the face, At least this is how I felt. Again, I'm not a makeup artist, and I'm using the red instead of the pinks, and I'm placing the white over there because I've seen that's how it is in the image itself, and then I'm kind of like curve it around with the red, again fading, highlighting, placing colors around where the image tells me. And this time I actually did the black kind of like fade from the first, because I felt when I kind of like put the colors in the kind of like, you know, where I should put them, it made easier to fade away the black rather than coming back and forth after. And now I'm taking reds, the darker ones. I feel it gives more depth using them. Now I'm using the Jeffree Star lipstick in Dirty Money, and I use it this time only on my brow, but I'll use it later on as well. Now I'm taking this brown to use over there where the white is, to kind of like give a wood sense, and taking red shade, placing all over the eyelid, only on that particular eyelid. And obviously you see I done the flower down, it was the same drill as the forehead. Now I'm highlighting the kind of like nude flower, and now I did not do the best work, all right, I know that. Now I'm taking this kind of like rosy nude and literally placing around the nude the nude flower, and yeah, I'm placing again the greens. Like I said, I think I said I'm gonna use it a couple of more times. And now I realized I've done a bit the shape of the nose wrong compared to the image, so I'm rectifying that basically. Now I'm taking this brown eyeliner, which is not the best, I'm not gonna lie, just doing some fading over there, and I'm placing a brown eyeshadow on top because I didn't like it that much, to be quite honest, the eyeliner itself. And now I'm using only the eyeshadow, and I'm literally kind of like, you know, giving yet again shading to the flower, how I'm feeling, and using the white as well. And now I'm coming back to that rosy nude sort of shade that I placed on my nose as well, and coming with some red just at the end of the eye, using the green again, fading it with my finger because I was lazy, and do the eye with a pinkier shade rather than the other eye, which is really straight on red. And I'm coming back again to the fading. As you can tell, I've done my lips already. And I'm using the white again, but literally this is an eyeliner from Revolution Pro, and I felt if you leave it a bit to dry down first and then come back with the brush, it works better than going straight away when it's wet. No idea why. Now I'm going straight on with glitter in the inner corners of my eye. This is from Primark, not quite sure if it's still available, and going crazy with the mascara as well. And this is the finished look. Not gonna lie, it's not as close to the image by any means, but it was really fun to experiment with it. I really enjoyed the process, and if you want to see more of this, subscribe to this YouTube channel. I'm gonna try to bring as much as I can until the Halloween season fades away. I will see you in the next one. Bye.